Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class. Today is 26th of April, that is Monday, and in today's class I am starting from question number 7. Alright, so question number 7 says that find the square root of 7 correct up to 2 decimal places. So I need to find the square root of 7. Here I have calculated 2.645. Okay, how are we getting this? From the long division method. Now we are asked to find the square root of 7. So what will I do? 7 is a single digit number. So hence 7, then put point, then put the zeros in pair. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, mark it from the right corner. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Okay, now start with 2 because the nearest square number to 7 is 2 2s are 4. You know the drill. 2 2s are 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. After decimal I am taking double zero, so hence you have to put decimal. Okay, because after decimal I am taking 0 here, so I have to put decimal. So 2 2s are 4, remainder 3, drop this, so I get 300, and then put a decimal point out here because I am using the number after decimal. Okay, so if I put 2 out here, then I have to add 2 out here, so 2 plus 2 becomes 4, and I have to divide 300. I have to divide 300. So which number to put? Which square number will be near to 300? I have to check. So it is 6. When I put 6 out here, I will be getting 46. So 46 into 6. Whichever number I put out here, I have to put the same number. You know that 46 into 6 will be 276. Again the same process. Subtract. You will be getting 24. Another 0. Now this. Okay, so I get 2400. And here what happens? 46 plus 6 will be 52. Okay, and I have to divide 2400. So which number? That is 4. See, all the calculation I can't show out here because the video will be very lengthy. You pause the video, you calculate 524 into 4 will be this. 525 will be more than this. Please remember that 525 will be more than this. That's why I am taking 524. Okay. The calculations are not so difficult. 524 into 4 will be 2096. Subtract, you will get 30,400. Which number to put now? 524 plus 4 will be 528, and then the last digit is 5. Now why am I taking to 3 decimal places out here? Because the question is asking me to find the value of root over 7 correct up to how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Okay, I have to correct up to 2 decimal places. So after decimal, there has to be exactly 2 digits after decimal. Okay, so now I have to round it off. So hence, I am getting root over 7 is equals to 2.645. How do I read? 2.645, which is this. Here, root 7 is equals to 2.645. Okay, this is how many decimal? 3. But the question is asking me to round off to 2 decimal. So hence, please look at the last digit. What is the last digit? 5. Now, if the last digit is 5 or more than 5, if the last digit is 5 or more than 5, then I have to add 1 to the previous digit. So I have 5. So what will I do? I'll add 1 in 4. So hence I will be getting 2.65. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Why? Because the last digit is more than 5 or 5. Am I clear? If the last digit is less than 5, if the last digit is less than 5, then the previous digit remains as same. Only if it is 5 or more, you have to add 1. Okay, so hence what do I get? Root 7 when I round it off to 2 decimal place, root 7 when I round off to 2 decimal place, the answer is 2.65. Am I clear or not? So till here, please pause the video, note down. Okay, this calculation, try to do it yourself. You will be getting this. Pause the video, note it down. Alright, the second part of this question, which is root over 4 plus root 7 divided by 4 minus root 7. I am not doing it out here because you have not done rationalization. Okay, rationalization is actually in class 9. It's not in class 8. So hence I am not doing that. second part of question number 7. Same goes with question number 8 also. Here we are only learning square and square roots. Okay, so when you reach class 9, then we will bring rationalization. Okay, but if you want that, we can do it as well. Okay, but right now it's fine. Okay, so the second part we are not doing it. So pause the video, note it down. Alright, let's proceed. The next question number 8 is find the square root of 5 and correct up to 2 decimal place. Same type of question. The previous one was root 7. This is root 5. Okay, so root 5, what will you do? 0.000000. Okay, pair form, start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1, so 100. 2 plus 2, 4. Which number? 2. 42 into 2 is 84. Subtract 16, 00. So the whole calculation is out here. So square root of 5 is 2.236. We are getting square root of 5 is 2.236. And this is 3 decimal place. Okay, but you are asked to correct up to 2. Look at the last digit. What is it? 6, which is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, I have to add 1 in the previous digit. So 2.236 will be 2.24 because 3 plus 1 will be 4. Okay, which is your answer. So 2.24. Again, the second part of this we are not doing because we haven't done rationalization. Again, we will be doing that in class 9. Okay, so please pause the video, note it down. Alright, now let's proceed with question number 12. In between question we are skipping. I'm going to question number 12. Question number 12 says that find the least number that must be added to 1205. Find the least number that must be added to this number so that the resulting number will be a perfect square. Now remember that we have already done a similar sum like this in question number, I believe, question number 5 and question number 6, isn't it? We have already done this type of sums in question number 5 and question number 6. Alright. So now the question says find the least number that must be added to this number. What should I do? I'll first find the square root of 1205. So please find the square root of 1205 in this way. 1205, pair. 3 3s are 9, remainder 3. So 05 will be here. 3 plus 3 will be 6. Now I am getting 305. So which number? 4. 6 4, that is 64 into 4 will be 256. So which will give me the remainder as 49. Now one more. Okay, by the way, if I have put 4 out here, then put 4 out here. 64 plus 4 will be 68. Now which number? I have already done out here. 7 into 7 will give you, by the way, you have to put 0 0. So that 0 0 will come out here. So 4900. So 687 into 7 will be 4809. Into 7 will be 4809. Okay. So this much is enough for us. So one thing we can see from here will be that root over the square root of 1205 will actually be more than how much? Actually what we are getting? Square root of 1205 is 34 point something we are getting, isn't it? We are getting 34.7 or 34 point something, which means that it is actually not 34. Okay, what is the question asking us? To find that least number that must be added to this. So the required number, the easier way to find the required number, how much will I add, will be, what is greater than 34? 35 square minus 1205. This will be the required number. Now how to find? See, 1205 is not a perfect square number. So that's why we are getting in terms of decimal. Okay, how much to add? Just you take one more than 34, that is 35 square minus 1205. So when you calculate 35 square, you will be getting 1225 minus 1205. If you subtract it, you will be 20. Okay, so when you add 20 to 1205, it will be 1225, and you check 1225 will be exactly how much? 35, which is a perfect square. Am I clear? 1205 is not a perfect square number. The question is asking you how much will I add in 1205 and that number will be perfect square. How much will I add? I'll have to add 20. You add 20 out here. How much? 1205 plus 20. How much? 1225. Now this number is a perfect square number. Okay, because this number is how much? 35 square. This number is how much? 35 square. Okay, how to find? Whichever number is given out here, if you are asked to find the least number that must be added, what will you do? You will first find the square root of this. Find the square root of this. How much I got? 34 point something. Okay, so which is clear that I must add, or how will I get the number? The number will be more than 34, that is 35 square minus the required given number. Okay, this will be your answer. Pause the video, note it down. Alright, the next question is question number 12. The question says, sorry, this is question number 13. The question says, find the least number that must be subtracted. Just opposite of the previous one. The previous one was find the least number that must be added, but this one is find the least number that must be subtracted. So when the case is subtracted, you just have to see the remainder. That's it. Okay. You find the square root of 2037. What is the remainder? 12. So because of this 12, 2037 is not a perfect square. And when I subtract 12 from 2037, that required number will be a perfect square. Okay, so what will be answer? Here we have to subtract 12 from 2037. So hence, what is that required number that must be subtracted? The required number is 12. Okay, so please pause the video, note it down. Alright, so that's it for today. So with this, I give you today's assignment. That will be question number 14. Please complete all these sums that we have done today and submit it to me by tomorrow. Latest by tomorrow. Okay. And with this, we also come to the end of this chapter. And in the next class, we'll be starting with a new chapter. Okay. So practice it properly. Do complete this exercise 3A, 3B, whichever questions we have done in this online classes. Alright. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.